The K30 Biho SPAAG self-propelled anti-aircraft gun is a modern South Korean short-range air defense system developed to counter low-altitude aerial threats such as attack helicopters, fighter aircraft flying at low level, unmanned aerial vehicles, and cruise missiles. Designed and produced primarily by Hanwha Defense for the Republic of Korea Army, the K30 Biho represents a significant leap from older towed or manually operated anti-aircraft guns by integrating mobility, automation, radar tracking, and high rate of fire cannons into a single armored platform. Its development was driven by the need to protect mechanized and armored formations on the move, ensuring that advancing ground forces are not left vulnerable to sudden aerial attacks. The system is named Biho, which means flying tiger in Korean, reflecting its aggressive defensive role and rapid reaction capability on the battlefield. At the core of the K30 Biho's design philosophy is mobility combined with autonomous operation. The system is mounted on a tracked armored chassis derived from the K200 infantry fighting vehicle platform, allowing it to keep pace with main battle tanks and mechanized infantry units across rough terrain, mud, sand, and uneven ground. This tracked mobility ensures that the Biho can operate effectively in frontline conditions rather than being restricted to static air defense roles. The armored hull provides protection against small arms fire and shell splinters, allowing the crew to operate in contested environments. The vehicle is typically operated by a crew of 3, consisting of a commander, gunner, and driver, all of whom are protected inside the armored vehicle. The main armament of the K30 Biho consists of twin 30mm automatic cannons mounted in a stabilized turret. These cannons are capable of firing at an extremely high rate, creating a dense wall of projectiles that is particularly effective against fast-moving and maneuvering aerial targets. The dual-gun configuration significantly increases hit probability, especially against helicopters performing evasive maneuvers or drones with small radar and visual signatures. The 30mm ammunition includes high explosive incendiary and armor-piercing rounds, allowing the system not only to engage air targets but also to provide limited direct fire support against lightly armored ground targets if necessary. This dual-role capability enhances battlefield flexibility, making the Biho more than just a dedicated anti-aircraft platform. One of the most important features of the K30 Biho is its integrated fire control and sensor suite. The system is equipped with a search radar and a tracking radar, enabling it to detect, identify, track, and engage aerial targets with minimal external support. The search radar scans the surrounding airspace for incoming threats, while the tracking radar locks onto selected targets to provide precise targeting data to the fire control system. In addition to radar, the Biho is also fitted with electro-optical sensors, including thermal imaging and daylight cameras. These sensors allow the system to operate effectively in environments where radar use is limited or undesirable, such as in heavy electronic warfare conditions or when stealth is required. The combination of radar and optical systems ensures all-weather, day and night operational capability. The fire control system of the K30 Biho is highly automated, reducing crew workload and reaction time. Once a target is detected and tracked, the system can calculate firing solutions automatically, compensating for target speed, direction, altitude, and environmental factors. This automation allows the Biho to engage multiple targets rapidly, which is critical in scenarios involving swarm attacks by drones or coordinated helicopter assaults. The short reaction time from detection to engagement makes the system particularly effective against pop-up threats, such as attack helicopters emerging from behind terrain or buildings. In later upgrades and variants, the K30 Biho has been integrated with short-range surface-to-air missiles, significantly extending its engagement envelope. This enhanced version, often referred to as Biho Hybrid or K30 Biho with missile integration, includes man-portable air defense missiles mounted on the turret. These missiles provide greater range and altitude coverage compared to the cannons alone, allowing the system to engage targets before they enter gun range. The combination of guns and missiles creates a layered defense capability within a single platform, enabling it to deal with a wide variety of threats from slow, low-flying drones to faster aircraft operating at higher altitudes. Operationally, the K30 Biho is designed to function as part of a broader integrated air defense network. It can receive target data from external sensors, command centers, or other air defense units, allowing it to engage threats even before its own sensors detect them. This network-centric capability enhances situational awareness and coordination across the battlefield. When deployed in groups, multiple Biho units can provide overlapping fields of fire, creating a protective umbrella over critical assets such as armored columns, command posts, logistics hubs, and forward operating bases. This cooperative deployment significantly increases survivability and overall defensive effectiveness. The system's effectiveness against modern aerial threats is particularly notable in the context of the increasing use of unmanned aerial vehicles. Drones, especially small and low-cost types, present a serious challenge to traditional air defense systems due to their low radar cross-sections and ability to fly at very low altitudes. The high rate of fire and rapid target acquisition of the K30 Biho make it well suited to counter these threats. Its electro-optical sensors are especially valuable for detecting and tracking drones that may evade radar detection. As drone warfare continues to evolve, systems like the Biho play a crucial role in protecting ground forces from reconnaissance, targeting, and attack by unmanned platforms. From a strategic perspective, the K30 Biho strengthens a nation's ability to defend its airspace at the tactical level. While long-range surface-to-air missile systems focus on high-altitude and long-distance threats, short-range systems like the Biho address the gaps that aircraft and helicopters can exploit by flying low and fast. This layered approach to air defense is essential in modern warfare, where adversaries often employ combined arms tactics to overwhelm defenses. By providing reliable short-range coverage, the K30 Biho ensures that high-value ground units are not left exposed during maneuver operations. The export potential of the K30 Biho has also attracted international interest. Countries seeking a modern, mobile, and cost-effective air defense solution have viewed the system as an attractive alternative to older gun-based platforms. Its combination of proven cannon technology, modern sensors, and optional missile integration makes it adaptable to different operational requirements and budgets. Additionally, its relatively simple logistics and maintenance requirements compared to more complex missile-only systems make it suitable for armed forces operating in diverse environments. In terms of survivability, the K30 Biho incorporates several measures to enhance crew safety and system endurance. The armored hull protects against battlefield threats, while the ability to engage targets at standoff distances reduces exposure to direct enemy fire. The system's mobility allows it to frequently change positions, reducing the risk of being targeted by enemy artillery or anti-radiation weapons. Furthermore, the option to operate using electro-optical sensors instead of radar helps minimize electronic signatures, making detection by enemy electronic intelligence assets more difficult. Overall, the K30 Biho SPAAG stands as a highly capable and versatile short-range air defense system tailored for modern battlefield conditions. Its blend of mobility, firepower, advanced sensors, and automation enables it to counter a wide spectrum of aerial threats effectively. As air threats continue to diversify, particularly with the rise of drones and precision-guided munitions, systems like the K30 Biho remain essential for protecting ground forces and maintaining operational freedom. By bridging the gap between traditional anti-aircraft guns and advanced missile systems, the K30 Biho exemplifies the evolution of air defense technology and underscores the continuing relevance of self-propelled anti-aircraft guns in contemporary and future conflicts.